Hey guys, over here is an iPhone 15 Pro Max that a customer brought to me this morning. She said she was charging this phone. She normally charges it overnight. But this time around, she smelled something burning. So she went into her bedroom and she saw her charger is in flames. And since then, this phone is not turning on or charging. As you can see, reading from the charge arms, this phone is taking 0.6 amps, which means it's not drawing any current, it's not charging, and it's not turning on. Normally, a phone draws 2.6 or 1.6 amps for a normal charge, and that will help the phone boot up. But because it's not drawing any amps, it's not turning on and it's not charging. So here I'm tearing apart the phone, and I can already confirm someone has already worked on this phone. So we need to take the phone apart, pulling the motherboard out from the phone. Taking visual inspection, I can see someone already tampered with this phone. Somebody already tried to fix this fault. So I know I'm not the first person to touch it. There is a shield covering this area and it's gone, meaning someone tried to repair this phone. So we need to separate the board. These phones come with a board in a sandwich layer. Like there are two boards combined to make one full board. So we need to tear apart the board in order to work on the faulty components. Using microscopic view, I can see there is a lot of flux on the board. Someone already tried to fix this phone. I see there is a lot of solder flux on the chips, which means it has been worked on maybe more than twice. And the charging IC EEPROM has been replaced. The best solution to fix faults like this is to do a direct CPU transplant, because if this phone was easy fixable, it would have been fixed, it wouldn't come to me. So I do not attempt to repair these phones. I just transfer the CPU, the NAND, and the EEPROM to a known working board, and then I can have the phone working. So here, this is me trying to pull the CPU out of the board. Pulling the CPU requires a great skill. And that is the CPU. This is the main brain of the phone. Now we need to remove the hard drive. That is the NAND IC, which contains every single document and every single data on the phone. This step is, now you can see, this step is me cleaning the CPU and preparing it for its new board. Now we reball those CPU and the NAND IC and they are ready to go. This is a side-by-side picture of then good working board, and the customer's board. After putting everything together, we need to combine the boards back. So we put them back to the preheater to combine the two boards together. Now this is the working phone. Everything fixed successfully. Customer data saved. Phone back and working perfectly. Now phone drawing 1.6 amps. Perfect charging. This is a fix job.